Today we're going over the Spring Black Friday sale that was leaked, and that's coming up next year on Just CB Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. First off, I'd like to thank the person on Reddit who leaks these out for us to do videos with. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to go over everything that's in this Spring Black Friday sale. Of course, they always change sometimes by the time the sale comes around. What I'm going to do is this yellow ribbon up here, I'm not going to go over everything in this yellow ribbon unless it's something real good, and then we're going to go over the main piece. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, on the first page here, this yellow ribbon, I see one thing here that might interest people. This is the Icon meme tool, the original locking flex head, ratchet, and bit set. 35 piece, 30% off for $27.99. Not a bad deal at all. You can see right here, it was $40. That might be something that a lot of people want to snag up. Let's go with the big boys here. Right now, we got 40% off of all brown lights when this sale comes out. Everybody knows that brown lights are pretty good. I've got a few of them. I like them. I've actually got the new 50 lumen LED light, and that one I will be doing a video on. I also have an old one, so I'll be doing a comparison on it. So that is a very good deal. Then next up here, we got 30% off all elastic ratcheting and E-track tie downs. That's not a bad deal. Now here's one for consumables. Even though it's showing regular gloves on here, you can also get the nitro gloves on here. But 40% off all Hardy gloves, brand new. That is a sweet deal. You're not going to probably get a better deal than that. Every once in a while you might get a half off, but right now is going to be the time to stock up on that. Then we got the 30% off all cordless power tool batteries. Starter kits 12 through 80 volt. You got your Atlas, Hercules, and Bauer included in this. If you guys ever wanted to get started into one of these, or if you already have them and you want to load up on more batteries, now is the time to get it when they have this sale going on. Now this next one here is the one I'm looking forward to. As you guys know, I got a 5-drawer tool cart, and I'm trying to fill it with mostly Icon stuff when stuff is on sale. We got the 35% off all Doyle, Icon, and Quinn screwdrivers and pliers. I'm definitely going to be hitting up the plier section there and try to get all the ones I don't have. If you guys don't know, a lot of times they do the I think it's 30% off everything 20 and under. I've snagged some of the pliers like that, but a lot of the pliers that are Icons now are like $21.99, so they're excluded from that sale. Now is the time to pick them up for this one. Next up here, we got the Predator 3500 watt super quiet inverter generator with the CO security technology. That looks like it's going to be a pretty good generator right there for $599.99, saving you $200 off. That is a great deal on that. And then we got the Predator gas-powered earth auger for $169.99. That one is $60 off. That is another good deal if you need something like that. We're getting into springtime now, so a lot of people might be building or planting stuff where they might need that. That'll come in great on that. Then we got the titanium EasyFlex 125 amp welder. $30 off for $119.99. Not a bad deal on that. I've been looking at this, but every time it goes on sale, I don't have the money for it. Go figure. And then we got the Badlands Apex 12,000 pound winch with synthetic rope and wireless remote. $120 off at $479.99. Next up here, we've got the Yukon 46-inch 9-drawer mobile storage cabinet with a solid wood top on this. Available in these 4 colors here. This one is going to be $60 off. That ain't a bad deal at all for $299.99. Then we got a 5-tier boltless steel garage shelving unit here, 48 by 24 by 78, and this is a brand new item right here. Not a bad deal at all for $99.99, $40 off. Next up here, we have the Avante airless paint primer and stain sprayer, $60 off for $189.99. Not a bad deal on that. And then we got Pittsburgh. I always say, snag your jacks when they are on sale, because they always have a bunch of sales on them. And this is one of the good ones here. We got the Pittsburgh 3-ton low profile with the rapid pump on it. That one is $72 off for $97.99. Great time to snag that up. And I'm going to skip over this down here because I don't see nothing great in it. Now in the top row here, the only thing I see that's a good deal is 43% off for $1.98 on the blue shop towels. That is not a bad deal. Or if you want these magnetic parts holders here for $179, 55% off, that's a good deal, but a lot of times they have these free. That's when I snag them up. So we're going to go down to this right here. We got the 34-inch 6-drawer full bang service cart, $100 off at $499.99. This was just on sale, I think, for $450. But if you guys didn't get it then, now's a good time to pick it up. And then we've got the 30-inch 4-drawer tool cart for $169.99, $60 off. Another great deal. I've got the 5-drawer. The 5-drawer is actually bigger than the 4-drawer in a bunch of dimensions. So if you're looking for something a little bit smaller, now is the time to snag that up. And then we're going to move over here to the Daytona jacks. We got a couple of them here. We've got the 3-ton long reach low profile professional floor jack with rapid pump, available in these colors right here. Those are very nice for $169.99, $100 off. And then we got the 2-ton professional racing jack here. This one is the aluminum with the rapid pump for $169.99, $60 off. Not a bad deal on that. Then I know a lot of people have been looking for this. It was on sale once, I think, already this year. So now's your time to get it again. We got the U.S. General 56-inch roll cabinet. This one is $100 off at $799.99. Not a bad deal on that. Then we got the Viking 1000 peak amp lithium-ion jump starter with the power bank on it. 22% off for $69.99. Great deal on that. Then we have the Badlands Farm Jack. These could come in handy. I used to have an old 79 CJ5 Jeep, and I would use one of these on that, but you definitely got to be careful and know how to use these because they can be dangerous on there. You're looking at $20 off for $79.99. Not a bad deal. And then we have the Badlands 3-ton off-road jack. $299.99, $80 off. I know a lot of people love that one. Now we got some Pittsburgh lifetime replacement stuff here. We got the mechanics tool set. This one is a 301-piece one, $30 off for $169.99. And then we got another one here from Pittsburgh. This one is going to be the tool set with case with 130 pieces in it, 25% off on that for $29.99. Great deal on that and stuff, and both of those will have lifetime replacements on them. You can't beat that. Then we got some more Badlands. We got a 5,000 pound, UTV power sport winch with automatic load holding brake, $30 off for $149.99. And then we got the 9,500 pound truck and SUV winch with the wire rope, $50 off for $279.99. And then we got some icon alerts, and both of these got a lifetime replacement on them. We got the professional master ball joint universal joint press set, and that is a 20-piece, $50 off for $179.99. Not a bad deal on that one. And then we've got also the lifetime replacement multi-spline screw extractor set, 15-piece, 50% off at $24.99. 50% off. You definitely need to snag that up now. That's going to be the best deal you're probably ever going to see on that one. Then we got some Hallmaster triple ball trailer hitch, 30% off at $22.99. And then we also got Hallmaster 1,000 pound capacity, 72-inch by 9-inch steel loading ramps, a set of 2, 41% off at $49.99. Also going to be a good time to get that. And then the bottom row here, I see the 4-piece pry bar set for 42% off at $9.84. That might be worth it. And then we got a click torque wrench down here for 40% off at $12.99. How precise it is, I couldn't tell you, but for that price, it'll definitely get you in the ballpark. And if you don't need a torque wrench all the time, that would be one to snag up. Alright, we're moving on to page 3 here, and the only thing I see in the yellow is these screwdrivers, and I'm not going to tell you to get them. I'm going to tell you to stay away from them. Every review I've saw on these, they are junk. These black pieces come off, so I would just pass them up even though they got a lifetime warranty. They seem like more of a hassle. Then we have right here, I am going to make this a little bit bigger here so I can see it a little bit better. We've got the 1800 PSI 1.2 GPM portable electric pressure washer from Bauer here, $30 off for $69.99. Not a bad deal on that. And then we're going to move over to some Predator stuff. I'm just going to go right over in order. We got the 5,000 watt gas powered portable generator with the CO secure technology, $100 off for $399.99. Then we got the 1800 watt gas powered portable generator with the CO secure technology, $100 off for $249.99. Then we got the 10,000 watt gas powered portable generator with a remote start and CO security, and this one is brand new, $699.99, $200 off. Not a bad deal on that. And then we're going back to the Bauer here. We got the 2300 PSI 1.2 GPM brushless max performance electric pressure washer. This is going to be $189.99, $60 off. Not a bad deal on that. Then we got a 350 watt power station with 294 WH capacity, $30 off for $249.99. Then we got the 13 horsepower 420cc overhead valve horizontal shaft gas engine, $50 off for $329.99. Seems like a pretty decent deal on that one. And then we got the 6.5 horsepower 212cc chipper shredder. This one is going to be $469.99 at $130 off. Not a bad deal on that. Then we're going to move over here to the Portland 6.5 amp 9.5 inch electric pole saw. This is going to be $49.99, saving you 28% off on that. Then we got the 42cc 18 inch gas powered chainsaw, $149.99, $35 off. Not a bad deal. And as always, we got our liquidation sale here with up to 72% off. That's on every sale like this. Good time to snag something up if you can find anything good over there. This is usually in the back corner of the store. Now starting off this row, we got the 1,200 pound capacity steel cart with a removable slide for $119.99, $60 off. I don't have this, but a lot of the reviews I see on it are pretty good on it. And then we've got the McGraw 8-gallon 150 psi oil-free horizontal shop auto air compressor, only $25 off. For a sale like this, I would think they would do a little better on that. You're looking at $134.99. And then we got the Fortress 6-gallon 175 psi high performance oil-free pancake job site and air compressor, $30 off for $129.99. And then we got the Earthquake. A lot of people love these impacts here. This one is a 1/2 inch composite air impact wrench, twin hammer, and 1,200 foot-pounds of torque. You got all these colors available in it, $40 off for $79.99. And the only thing I see real good in the bottom here would probably be this Merlin set right here, which is going to be brand new. That's 37% off at $16.99. That would probably be a good snag on that. Or if you need these drill bits over here, the step bits, for 33% off at $19.99. Alright, now we are on the last page here, and I zoomed in a little bit again. These right here, I always say I don't like the cheap Warrior stuff, but I actually just snagged these up on the extended parking lot sale that's going on this weekend, and I think they're pretty sure they're the same price, but you got the titanium drill bit set. This is 29 piece, 40% off for $11.99. For $11.99, I have yet to find any drills that I don't break the drill bits in. My father-in-law has a DeWalt set. We broke them in there. So I just buy these cheap ones, and then when they're on a sale like this, now is the time to get them. And then also the super glue over here for 51% off for 96 cents. That is a good deal on that also. Alright, this row I'm just going to go straight across again to make it easier like I normally do. First off, we got a Bauer 12 amp 7 inch variable speed polisher and sander, $20 off for $79.99. Then we got a 2.8 amp 5 inch random orbital palm sander, 50% off at $19.99. I would definitely snag that up if you need one of those. And then I'm going to scroll down a little bit here. We got the Hercules 7 amp variable speed compact trim router. This one is only $20 off at $79.99. I'd like to see a little bit more on that, but that shouldn't be too bad. Then we got a real good one here from the reviews I've seen. 11 amp 5 inch deep cut variable speed bandsaw, $40 off at $139.99. I do have the Bauer version of this yet, but I haven't got the chance to use it. But I know a lot of people like this Hercules one. Then starting off this row, we got a 7.5 amp 1/2 inch variable speed hammer drill, 33% off at $29.99. I've heard a lot of people say they like that one. 10 amp 1 1/8 inch SDS type variable speed rotary hammer, 26% off for $69.99. And that rounds out that Bauer stuff right there. Then we're going to move over to the Hercules 12 amp 1 9/16 SDS max type variable speed rotary hammer with maximum vibration control, $60 off for $169.99. Then we got a great deal here on the Universal Portable Bandsaw Benchtop Stand. I wouldn't mind getting this. My Bauer would fit in this. $1 off at $89.99. Then it looks like the last Bauer thing we got on here is a 6-gallon 4-peak horsepower wet dry vacuum, 18% off for $44.99. Not a bad deal on that. And then I've heard a lot of people say they like this, the Grants 1200 watt handheld steam cleaner, 37% off at $24.99. Now over here we got some Union Safe Company Pew Pew holders here. We got a 24 Pew Pew fire resistant combination safe, $100 off for $529.99. And then we got a 10 Pew Pew key lock security cabinet, $50 off for $149.99. And then we're going to move down into this last row here. We got a Central Machinery 3.5 cubic foot cement mixer, $70 off for $199.99. And then we have a 7 horsepower plate compactor with wheel kit. This one's $100 off for $599.99. Then we got another welder here. We got the Titanium Unlimited 140 professional multi-process welder with a 120 volt input, $250 off for $349.99. That is a great deal on that. And then we got a Chicago Electric standard auto darkening welding helmet, 30% off for $27.99. That's not a bad deal. And then in the bottom row here, if you want 30 cal 50% off, $298 for the ammo can. That's not a bad deal on that. Every once in a while also, I think you can pick these up for free. I know I've got a couple of them the last time they were free. So there you go. There is the late spring Black Friday sale going on at Harbor Freight. This is going to be ITC Monday, April 6th through Thursday, April 9th. Everyone saves April 10th, which is Friday. And I like they extended this to Monday, April 13th. That helps out for people who might have to work over the weekend. And that's real nice that they give them an extra day to try to snag stuff up. So what I want to know is, I told you guys a couple of things I was interested in. Leave a comment down below. I would like to hear what you guys want to pick up out of here. I love talking with you guys in the comments. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there I have affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.